Have you ever walked into a room and forgotten why you were there? Or struggled to remember a name you've known for years? After 50, these little moments can feel frightening. You may quietly wonder whether your brain is slowing down. The truth is that aging does change the brain, but it does not mean decline is unavoidable. During deep sleep, the brain works hard to repair cells and strengthen memory pathways. What it needs most is proper nourishment. Certain protein-rich foods provide the building blocks that help brain cells rebuild themselves overnight naturally. If protecting your memory and staying mentally sharp truly matters, consider subscribing for practical, research-informed guidance created especially for adults over 50. Like this video and share in the comments whether you've noticed small memory changes. Your participation helps build a supportive, informed community focused on healthy aging. Item 1. Wild-caught fatty fish, salmon, sardines, mackerel. Wild-caught fatty fish such as salmon, sardines, and mackerel provide one of the most powerful combinations of nutrients for aging brains. These fish are rich in complete protein and omega-3 fatty acids, especially DHA, a structural fat that forms a major part of brain cell membranes. After the age of 50, natural levels of DHA in the brain gradually decline. Some neurologists explain that this reduction may affect memory speed, clarity of thinking, and the flexibility of brain cells to communicate efficiently. Protein plays an equally important role. Every brain cell relies on amino acids, the building blocks of protein, to repair tiny amounts of daily wear and tear. Throughout the day, brain cells are exposed to stress, inflammation, and normal metabolic waste. During deep sleep, the brain activates a cleansing and repair system, often referred to in research as the glymphatic system. This process clears out toxins and supports cellular restoration. However, without adequate protein intake, the body may lack the raw materials necessary to rebuild damaged tissue effectively. Omega-3 fatty acids add another protective layer. Some doctors warn that chronic low-grade inflammation becomes more common with age and can slowly damage neurons. DHA helps reduce inflammatory processes and keeps brain cell membranes flexible. Flexible membranes allow signals to pass smoothly between cells, which supports sharper recall and steadier focus. Studies have shown that older adults who regularly consume fatty fish tend to have better preservation of brain volume compared to those who rarely eat it. Eating fatty fish in the evening may be especially supportive because the body digests and absorbs its nutrients over several hours. As sleep deepens, amino acids circulate in the bloodstream, ready to assist tissue maintenance. At the same time, DHA becomes available to support membrane repair and reduce inflammatory stress. This combination creates an environment where the brain can restore itself more efficiently overnight. Wild-caught varieties are often recommended because they generally contain higher omega-3 levels and fewer contaminants compared to some farmed sources. Preparing these fish simply, without excessive frying, helps preserve their delicate fats. For adults over 50 who are concerned about forgetfulness or slower thinking, regularly including fatty fish in the weekly diet is considered by many health professionals to be a foundational step in supporting long-term cognitive resilience and healthy brain aging. Item 2. Eggs, especially whole eggs. Eggs, especially whole eggs, provide a concentrated source of nutrients that directly support brain cell maintenance and communication. They contain complete protein, meaning all 9 essential amino acids are present in balanced amounts. These amino acids are required for the production of neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers that allow brain cells to speak to one another. After the age of 50, the efficiency of these signaling systems can gradually decline, making consistent protein intake increasingly important. One of the most valuable nutrients in eggs is choline. Many doctors describe choline as a critical compound for memory because it is used to produce acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter heavily involved in learning and recall. Research has shown that acetylcholine levels naturally decrease with age. Lower levels are often associated with increased forgetfulness and slower processing speed. Whole eggs, particularly the yolk, are among the richest dietary sources of choline available in everyday foods. During sleep, the brain does more than rest. It organizes memories formed throughout the day and strengthens important neural connections in a process known as memory consolidation. This activity requires stable neurotransmitter production and healthy cell membranes. The protein in eggs supplies amino acids that remain available for several hours after eating, supporting tissue repair while the body is in its overnight recovery phase. Choline, at the same time, contributes to maintaining the structural integrity of brain cell membranes. Some health professionals emphasize that avoiding the yolk eliminates much of the choline benefit. While concerns about cholesterol were once widespread, current research suggests that moderate egg consumption does not significantly increase heart risk for most healthy older adults. Instead, eggs can serve as a nutrient-dense option that supports both muscle maintenance and cognitive health when consumed as part of a balanced diet. Eggs also contain small amounts of vitamin B12 and other B vitamins, which are important for nerve function. Deficiency in B12 becomes more common with aging and may contribute to memory difficulties. Including whole eggs regularly can help support adequate intake of these nutrients alongside high-quality protein. For adults over 50 who are seeking simple dietary strategies to protect memory, whole eggs offer a practical and affordable choice. Their unique combination of protein and choline make them especially valuable for supporting the brain's natural repair processes that take place quietly and steadily during sleep each night. Item 3. Greek yogurt, particularly the unsweetened and full protein variety. Greek yogurt, particularly the unsweetened and full protein variety, provides steady nourishment that supports brain repair during the night. Unlike many other protein sources, Greek yogurt is rich in casein, a slow-digesting protein that releases amino acids gradually over several hours. This slow release is important for adults over 50 because the body's ability to maintain and rebuild tissues becomes less efficient with age. A steady flow of amino acids during sleep gives brain cells consistent access to the building blocks they need for maintenance and restoration. During deep sleep cycles, the brain carries out essential repair work. Research shows that this is when damaged proteins are broken down, cellular waste is cleared, and neural pathways are strengthened. For these processes to function well, the brain depends on adequate protein availability. Casein protein supports this extended repair window by preventing long gaps without circulating amino acids. Some nutrition experts explain that overnight protein availability may help preserve both muscle tissue and delicate neural structures in older adults. Greek yogurt contributes to brain health through the gut-brain connection. It naturally contains probiotics, beneficial bacteria that help maintain a balanced digestive system. After age 50, changes in gut microbiota become more common, sometimes leading to increased inflammation. Chronic inflammation has been linked in multiple studies to cognitive decline and mood disturbances. Supporting gut health, therefore, may indirectly support brain clarity and emotional stability. The gut plays a surprising role in neurotransmitter balance. A significant portion of serotonin, a chemical involved in mood and sleep regulation, is influenced by gut activity. Healthy gut bacteria can help maintain a more stable internal environment, which supports deeper and more restorative sleep. Quality sleep is directly tied to stronger memory consolidation and more effective overnight brain repair. Choosing unsweetened Greek yogurt is important. Excess added sugars may contribute to inflammation and blood sugar spikes, both of which can negatively affect cognitive function over time. A plain, high-protein option provides the benefits without unnecessary strain on metabolic health. For adults over 50 who are seeking simple dietary strategies to protect memory, Greek yogurt offers a combination of slow-digesting protein and gut support.
Consumed regularly, it helps create the internal conditions that allow the brain to repair itself more effectively during sleep, strengthening cognitive resilience over the years.